I'll just share with you guys how I'm able to customize my channel every now and then, how I switch up things. This video is going to be packed with information straight to the point, how I adjust and edit certain things. Please watch till the end. Let me know if you want more videos related to this topic. I will actually oblige. For now, ladies and gentlemen, let us actually dive in and I'll show you guys how I customize my channel. Pretty simple, pretty easy and straight to the point. Hey guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Glory Rex. I am a content creator, spoken word poet, and a movie audio editor. Today's video is based on someone's curiosity, and I thought to just make an elaborate video to explain how I get this done. Bear in mind that I have filmed other videos related to, Canva, editing, and all of other stuff related to being a content creator on YouTube. So I've actually dropped some videos that I feel that relate to this particular one you're watching below in the description box, and also check my entire channel. Maybe you find something that relates with how to create videos, how to be a creator. The whole idea is to help you see life, through my lens, learn from my mistakes, my discoveries, and just share from my experience. Okay, yeah. So I like to say that if you're seeing me for the first time, I just like to share information with you as someone that is really discovering life. Please like, share, subscribe. It actually makes me very happy. Those that are my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back every now and then. You guys are actually the cherry on the cake. Thank you so much for making this entire journey so worth it. I'm so happy and grateful. Ladies and gentlemen, let's actually dive in. I'm using my channel as an example to show you guys how you can customize yours, okay? So just go to this particular place that says customize channel. Once you click on that, okay, so it takes you directly to your YouTube studio. So the first thing I'm seeing here under channel customization is my profile banner image. That is what you see on my channel where I said, I'm here to share. That is how you can upload that. This particular picture here, this is what they call the YouTube banner. You can always edit whenever you want based on your preference, okay? I did mine on Canva. If you want me to show you how I did mine, it's going to be a different video. I don't want to merge that because I don't want this video to be very, very lengthy. I went to the appropriate size that was recommended to do this. The next one is this particular circle you can see here. It's something you can change at any point in time. Let's go back to where you can get this done. So you can see, change or remove. And if you want to get your YouTube banner, this is the recommended size for it. So how I did mine was I went to Canva, I typed YouTube banner. So there are different templates you can use to do that. I kept resizing and resizing and resizing until I got to the particular desired choice that I wanted. So this is how it looks like on full screen, and this is how it's looking like here on my YouTube channel. So this was my target, to just make it look the way it's looking. I have flower, the picture of myself, Glory Rex, here to share, and the subscribe button. And let's move to the next one. I already showed you guys how you can get the whole picture thing. You can choose to change. If I come here, I can change to any image I want. I'm not doing that for now. I actually like how I look here. So of course, this is where you can have your channel name. So this is my name, Glory Rex. And bear in mind that from what I can see here, you can actually change your name twice in 14 days. That is if you want to. Because the time YouTube came up with this, opportunity where people can have a handle so that when somebody tags you, it goes straight to your channel. My own is just my name, Glory Rex. So you can actually change it in 14 days as well. If you want to, you can edit. And if you see here, it has the link of my YouTube channel. So the description box is very, very important. It's how people can get to identify with you. They get to relate with what you're doing, what you're about, who you are on YouTube, and your aim on YouTube. Okay. So for my own YouTube channel, what I did here was just to say, welcome to my channel. I open up about life, the highs, the lows, the in-betweens, and the stories. This is how I chose to talk about myself here on my platform. You can do this either with ChatGPT, just to be sure. If you want something that is cute and sweet, or write it from the top of your head, however you choose, is completely up to you. So what I did here as well was put my social media handles for people to easily reach out to me, my email most importantly. Yeah. So this is what you have here. You can also reach out to me via my social media platforms. And if you want to add languages, you can come here, add language. That's if you want, but I'm not doing that for now, so I'm just going to cancel. Okay, let's go back to what we're talking about. So this is where you have your channel URL, custom URL, all that. So very, very important. This is where a lot of people have not really explored. So when it comes to linking your channel with other social media platforms, you can actually do that here. So you can just have your Facebook link here, your LinkedIn linked here, Instagram linked here, and any other platform of your choice. You can also choose to delete if you want, and you can choose to add more links if you also want. And let me show you how this is going to reflect. When you come on my channel here, it's easier for you to easily see and contact me. Like once you see, you can see Facebook, glorydpoettv, and all of that. So once you click it to take you through to this, just like a direct link for people to reach out to you instead of people typing. And those links that have been provided, you have them outlined here, which is very, very fantastic. So the fact that these links are available and easily clickable, so YouTube actually made it easier for people to know more about you, and all you do on other platforms. When I became a full-time YouTuber, I actually struggled with most of these things. I did my research. So I like to give shout out to the likes of Kelechi Bemena and Dimma. These were ladies that I really watched closely. I actually got most of this information while watching their channel, and I told myself to be nice to also do that as well. For people that are seeing my channel as an avenue to learn, I will show them how to get this done, because I believe it's very, very important as a creator to keep passing the knowledge you have learned, and you also keep growing from that route as well. So looking at what I have here is the video watermark. So for the video watermark, you can choose to put it in the entire video, at the end of the video, or at the start of the video. I actually have mine at the entire video. The whole idea is just for you to subscribe to my channel. That is what it does. It does not do so much. I can choose to remove it or keep it if I want, but so far so good. I don't see the need to take it down yet. And it was designed by my one and only partner, and that was a long time ago, and so far I really appreciate it and I really, really love it. Once you are done with any of your editing or customization, you just have to come here and say publish. The minute you click publish, what it does is that more like a way of saving what you have done, so please be aware of that. We've spoken about profile. Now let's talk about home tab. Okay, so for home tab, the interesting part of this is that you can see this part that says trailer, right? What it does is that this particular trailer is for those people that haven't subscribed to your channel. So once they come to your channel, that's the first video that they get to see. The one beneath that is featured videos, as in for returning subscribers. You get what I mean? I'll show you guys. All you need to do once you come here, you have this option to change the video or remove the video. So now I actually want to change the video, and I'll show you guys how I'm going to do it. So all these particular videos popped up. So what I want to do is I want to actually replace that video that you guys saw with this particular one, and you're going to see how it's going to be. You can choose to replace the video or add a video if you have not already. You should recommend a fresh content based on your viewers' interest. Let's actually see what that is about. Let's see the options. So you can actually choose to remove the session or not, and you have your popular videos. So these are the ones that I have made that are very popular. So once I click on them, you're going to see these are my most popular videos. Then this particular one are the shorts I have made. I didn't show you guys in the beginning, but I'll show you guys now. This is the particular video that I was showing before I replaced the video with another one. This is how I made my first photo avatar. I did this particular video with Hey Jen. So let me refresh my page and you guys will see the difference. Okay, it's the first video that you get to see before you see other videos on my channel. So this is my advice. I advise that you put your most recent video that has to do with your personality on top of this particular video. That is because people that are just stumbling on your channel for the first time, remember, it's for those that have not subscribed to your channel. They get to see a very nice perspective of you, your interest, what you do, and any other good stuff that you chose to put up there. But at the end of the day, it's actually up to you. I'm only just showing you guys and just giving you guys my 2 cents. Okay, and another thing again is you can do this based on the number of views you have. You can do this based on your priority, what you want for yourself. All right, so one thing I have done over the years successfully is to make sure that my channel has my personality all over it. Okay, I like to share information, I like to interview people, I like to explore. My channel is an embodiment of my personality, my challenges, my wins, my losses, my victories, okay? And everything boils down to Glory Rex as a brand. Everything boils down to Glory Rex as a human being, as just that girl. This particular option of home tab I think is optional. Let me see what happens if I do this. Everything actually goes, and if I click this up, everything actually comes back. Okay, I want it to be there, so that's why I'm going to leave it. So guys, I hope you have been able to learn 1 or 2 things from this entire video. So for those that are wondering how I was able to do my YouTube banner, if that is of interest to you, let me know. I'm going to make a separate video in that regard. I don't want to just do things because I feel like I should do it, but I want to do this based on demand. Okay, that is very, very important. It's actually my YouTube channel, but at the end of the day, it's actually you guys that are watching. Okay, so let's move on to view channel. So everything I have done will actually reflect on my channel. So guys, I'm happy that I made this video with you guys in mind. The whole idea is to show you how I was able to customize my own channel, because it's easier for people to see my personality in what I do. So guys, I have successfully shown you how I was able to customize my own YouTube channel. Let me know if the video was helpful. I have a lot of interesting videos I have filmed and those I intend to film. In conclusion, let me share with you guys very important reasons why you should consider to customize your own YouTube channel. Most importantly, the first one is that first impression matters, because your personality, your values, your style is displayed. People can easily see the kind of person you are, the kind of things that interest you. For my kind of person, for those that know me based on what I create, I'm somebody that likes sports, I like entertainment, I like information. So the specific sports I like, from time to time I talk about little information here and there about them. When it comes to information, I've done a whole lot. I've done videos on nail font, how you can apply, other information about the how you can do certain things. I've done videos like that. Some interesting moments I've had that were very, very entertaining to me, I've shared with you guys. Couple of them here on my channel. So basically my channel just speaks of my personality and what I'm about. Okay, number 2 is to build a brand identity for people to easily relate with you. I feel like when you build something that people see who you are, then they can know how they can relate with you and when to come to your channel and check out whatever it is you're doing. So people have an idea of what you create, what you're about, what you believe in, what makes you happy, what makes you sad. Everything just boils down to your perception, your personality, and what your interest actually lies in. So number 3 is just to gain more alliance, because when people see what your brand is about, they can tell where your interest is at, and that's where you guys can actually have a community together, and that actually supports your goal to gain more visibility, gain more connection with people that resonate with your kind of personality and your persona. Everything aligned to the purpose of why you are on YouTube. Yeah, so number 4 is very important. Like I showed you guys earlier, you can easily drop the links of how people can reach out to you easily, for people to be able to send you an email, you see other activities that you are up to just by providing links or several links. Okay, like you guys saw in the customization page, is that it definitely encourages engagement, because everything you are displaying is tailor-made for what you are doing. Visitors can actually feel welcome. The page is very, very interactive, it's engaging, and more likely people that are new to your channel can choose to explore your works, what you have done, what you have posted, and some can even go as far as reaching out to you, and you guys build a community or a relationship. Thank you so much for watching. My name remains Glory Rex. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in another video. But for now,
you, my crew, you're my starry sky, lifting me up, you make me fly. Every view, every like, you're my treasure chest. Thank you, my crew.